Huh? Huh?
It's snowing, guys. Let's come outside and do some perfect skiing. Here, watch me. Yahoo! I need him at my store. How is he usually paid? Someone should put snow on the dog's snack shelf. If snow could be packaged, a lot of dog owners will definitely buy it. Typically, there are two kinds of dog when they first saw the snow. I bet there's someone threw their favourite bone outside before the snow started falling. Talking about being curious, dogs are no less curious than cats. It can be pretty good at skiing, but definitely not at teaching. Even the greatest adventurer goes speechless when there are lots of treasures to be found. As a branch manager, this guy won't miss even a single stick. You're unlucky, snowman. This moment will remain in the core memory until the very last second of its beautiful life. Not all dogs have a childhood being this fun. Goldie is a lucky one.
Come on!
Take a picture of this.
Dad's not at home. It's time to have a snowball party.
You gotta go outside. Come on.
You might see nothing, but this dog sees a whole treasure down in those snow and nice dog looks. Like this.
Cái này. Để mấy đứa mua bót.
Only the most delicate dogs know the difference between snow in different places. The dog could be a big fan of the snow, but definitely not one of ice. It turns out snow can activate hidden abilities of dogs, something I learned today. When a bulldog sees someone being more handsome than him, he's often not very happy. Proof that ice cream is just a product that's being inspired by natural snow. Wait a minute, human. I smell something. No, leave me here. I've got to find out what it is. Hey bro, how can he hug you more if he doesn't have any hands? Bro, just what did the snowman do to you to receive an ending like this?
Hungry?
Don't worry, guys. He's actually having a good time out there, I bet.
Marla.
Will you please just come inside? Please. Oh my, thank you.
Ask a dog about heaven on earth, and if they can talk, this will And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.